This is a IEEE standard research paper that are published in 2017. These papers are related to color retinal image enhancement based on the luminosity and contrast adjustment that are proposed by Meiju, Keijin, that are some researchers that propose their research paper on this retinal image that are objective of this research paper. Many common eye disease and cardiovascular disease can be diagnosed through retinal imaging. However, due to uneven illumination, image blurring, and low contrast, retinal images with poor quality are not useful for diagnosis. That are for improvement, these researchers are proposed their research paper using different algorithms and methods. These are used some different techniques like Clay method for contrast enhancement and apply some conversion into color space channel for luminosity enhancement, and these are introduction of that, and these are some comparison and introduction with different research papers that are proposed in previous, and compare some related point, and in present research paper that are diagram for this research paper. In this research paper that are using this diagram to propose their model. First, it take input color retinal image and splitting into different R, G and B channels and apply luminosity gain matrix, and there are also convert into HSV color space that are high saturation value, and after converting and split into H, S and V channels and apply luminosity enhancement on V channels, and also apply gamma correction on V channel, and then merge into these R, G and V after converging into RGB color space, and then apply contrast enhancement into luminosity enhancement image. First off, convert into LAB color space that are most useful for contrast enhancement and widely used for LAB color space for contrast enhancement and also brightness adjustment. After converting into LAB color space, split into LAB channel and apply into L channel for contrast enhancement in, and then apply Clay method into L channel. Clay method are basically used for contrast enhancement and brightness adjustment. After apply Clay method into L channel, then it convert into RGB and merge R, G and B channels, and after proposed their enhanced color retinal image. These are some procedure and explanation for this research paper, and apply different stage and what are used for these image hardwares, and information about this image dataset and what camera are used for these image are taken. These are defined in this research paper. These are gamma correction that are gain some visualization of their models. H and S channel are irrelevant to luminance and both are ignored, where V channel are the luminance intensity of pixel position and V is the position of V, X and Y the coordinate value of that image which determine the effect of luminosity enhancement. And these are contrast enhancement description that are used in this present paper. These are image dataset. These first column are the original image with different 4 images, and the second column are present luminosity enhancement in original image, and after that this third column are present contrast enhancement of luminosity enhancement image, and these are histogram corresponding with different methods. These are original image histogram and these are luminosity enhancement image of histogram, and these are contrast enhancement of image histogram, and these are used LAV color space formula for converting and manipulating the value for enhancement. This is the box plot of original image into different color space. These are LAV color space, and these are hue saturation intensity, and these are hue saturation value color space, and these are used to improvement of the image after applying their algorithm. And the data set of taken of Macedor database for applying their proposed model, and this is the references with different research paper previous, but this present paper are also not very useful in the medical diagnosis because these are also are not. Then after this proposed model there are also proposed different research paper that are, and the research paper after this we can also read these research paper for improving the enhancement and contrast enhancement for the retinal image and work on that with our college teacher. Our proposed model are very good. That comparison in this those paper. In our present, this is my proposed model. This is original image and this is after applying the model enhancement image, and these are the literature review for different research paper and authors. This is IEEE transaction on biomedical engineering 2018 that are discussed on the first research paper. These are also the research paper, and the current time proposed more enhancement result paper that are this is currently working, but we have also improved our proposed model that comparison this paper, and our paper is more improvement with this paper. Our proposed model color it in our image as input and then convert into HSV color space, then apply adaptive gamma correction on V channel and then convert into RGB and merge. Then after apply first layer contrast enhancement on that output image and extract green channel, apply Whelan filter on green channel and then apply clay on green channel. Then after merge output enhanced color retinal image. This is a model consists two part luminosity enhancement and two layer contrast enhancement. This is the result. This is original image and this is luminosity enhancement. This is first layer multi clay and this is second layer. This is the matrix used for performance analysis and this is comparison of proposed model with other methods based on the Mesido dataset. This is Jubo. This is that are discussed in the first lecture and this is other research paper. This is conclusion and this is the some references of previous research paper. Thank you.